Most WordPress users fall into the same trap. They buy cheap hosting, then install plugin after plugin trying to speed up their websites. But here's the truth. The plugins can't fix it on their own. If you have bad hosting, no plugin's going to make up for it. So you need to have solid hosting. On top of that, layer solid plugins to speed up your site, then you're going to have a fast website. In this video, I'll show you why your hosting matters more than any plugin and how to escape the page speed trap once and for all. Every time your website slows down, it's tempting to install another optimization plugin, a caching plugin, image compression plugin, lazy loading plugin. All of them promise to make your site faster. And while they do help, most of these tools are treating the symptoms, not the cause. If your hosting server is slow, no plugin can overcome the limits of poor hardware, outdated software, and overloaded resources. So you have to have both solid hosting, solid plugins. Think of your website like a car. Plugins are the upgrades, new tires, better aerodynamics, but your hosting is the engine. You can't win a race if the engine's weak. Low-quality hosting uses cheap servers shared by thousands of sites, so your site constantly competes for CPU and memory. The result is delayed response times, sluggish load speeds, and unhappy visitors no matter how many speed plugins you install. And here's something most people miss. Plugins can't reduce server latency. That's the time it takes for your server to respond when someone comes to your site. On low-end hosting, latency is often 400 to 600 milliseconds or longer. That's over half a second. That time is the time spent before your page even starts loading. Premium hosting can drop that to below 100 milliseconds. That's an instant speed boost no plugin can get for you. And ironically, the more plugins you install, the worse it gets. Each optimization plugin adds code, scripts, and database queries. Stack enough of them together and they start fighting with each other, or even duplicating the same functions. So instead of solving your speed problem, you end up with plugin bloat, conflicts, and more headaches. That's not to say you shouldn't use plugins, just make sure you use the good ones. I'll tell you about a good one at the end of this video. Instead of you juggling 10 different optimization plugins, your hosting provider fine-tunes everything for you. The caching, CDN, SSLs, database optimizations, and so many more acronyms and things that you don't really have to worry about. Just get a proper host that's all done for you. And that's the secret difference between sites that stay fast and sites that slowly crumble under plugin overload. So before you spend another afternoon tweaking settings or testing yet another plugin, take a look at the foundation your site's built on. Decide if your business and your website is worth investing in so that you can invest in a better host and get speed optimization, speed improvements almost instantly. If your hosting isn't optimized for performance, no plugin's going to help you. And that's the reason I recommend you check out Kinsta. They run on Google Cloud's premium top-tier network. They have server-level caching. They include Cloudflare CDN integration out of the box. Everything is optimized behind the scenes. So your plugins can do what they're supposed to do. For example, add social logins or galleries, what have you, instead of using plugins to compensate for bad hosting. Check out the Kinsta case studies in the description down below to see how businesses just like yours have benefited from managed hosts like Kinsta. And next up, watch this video right up here. I mentioned it earlier, it's all about speeding up your website. So you have to have a good host as your foundation, and then you can use a great speeding up plugin to make your site even faster. That's what this video is all about. So make sure you check it out, and I'll see you there.